talking about hiring, right? Let's say that we've gotten through that and you've picked the right candidate. How do we go about like actually making that offer that sticks? What I've ran into is that, we have a budget, here's our budget, here's what we're willing to pay, and that's it. If we've taken the time, we've got our top 5, we've put them through a really regimented interview process, and we know this is the right fit, let's make them the right offer. Part of that offer is that we're actually putting in all the different cultural components that are important to them. If that person's the right cultural fit and it really matters to you as an organization, let's be sure we get them. If it's time off, let's get them some time off. If they need some benefits, let's work that out. Or is there another benefit that we can put in place that isn't necessarily monetary, but it's something else that we can do to actually really benefit people? Now, some of you guys might be listening to this right now and go, man, some of this things is common sense, it's common sense, or some of it's completely crazy. But at the end of the day, is that the most important people in your organization are your people, not necessarily your customer, it's your people. And so let's put that extra time in there. When we make that offer, let's be sure that offer is going to stick. And let's be sure that person can culturally really tie their future and their career into your organization to ensure they're going to be a great long-term employee.